What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks, Moo is going to give you up to 15 free stocks when you open a new Moo brokerage account. You put $100 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. You put $1,000 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 15 free stocks. Limited time offer, guys. So don't delay, act today. Get yourself down in the description box. Click on that Moo link. Open up that Moo account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I will also send you a couple of Moo tutorial videos to walk you through how to use the Moo brokerage app to build your wealth. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Let me know you've opened the Moo account. Let me know you funded the Moo account. And I'm going to go ahead and send you out those tutorial videos. Well, guys, I'm traveling. Let me show y'all this beautiful, beautiful scenery that I'm looking at the hotel. Check that out, man. Is that amazing or what? This is Colorado. I'm close to Boulder, Colorado, but look at that, man. First thing I want to run you guys through is a stock that I picked up this morning, and I made me a little bit of a FCF on that. And the name of that company is Walgreens. You guys know Walgreens, right? One of the biggest retail companies in America, right? And how I came across Walgreens was, of course, I'm out doing my research at 7:30 this morning, just trying to find something to make some money off today. And I noticed that Walgreens was coming out with their quarter end November 2024 earnings report. And it appeared to be a good earnings report. So pre-market, the stock was starting to run. And I said, well, goodness gracious, we're probably going to have a day of red because of this strong jobs report we got today. But Walgreens might be in the green because they had such a great earnings report. Let's take a look at the earnings report real quick. Again, I'm not going to go through too much, but let me just tell you what they did. So this is November 2024 quarter ending. For EPS, they beat by 35.13%. So expectation was 0.38 earnings per share. They came in 0.51 earnings per share. They beat also on revenue by 5.45%. So expected revenue was going to come in at 37.42 billion. They reported 39.46 billion. So they beat there too. Beat on top line, beat on bottom line. And the stock price started the morning around $10.60. I got in around $10.76. And of course, I bailed out around $11.20. Now the stock has continued to go higher. I believe so far today it's gotten itself up to, let me see where it got itself up to. I believe I want to say around $11.77. That was the high today. Currently right now it's at $11.38. So it's backtracked a little bit. But of course my goal was to get in and make some FCF, and that's what I did. So even though the general market, you know, the 3 major indexes are trading down because of the jobs report, Walgreens did pretty well. And I found that little golden nugget because I was just doing some research on Google, and I asked Google what companies are trading higher today. And I just asked them that in pre-market, ChatGPT, and it came back with 3 or 4 companies, and Walgreens was one of them. So that's why I tell you guys, do your homework, get yourself up, do some pre-work before the market opens, and you give yourself a chance to be able to find, you know, a winner. And today, Walgreens was a winner for me, you know, made about $3,000. I'm good with that. The second thing I want to share with you guys is the December jobs report came out higher than expected, right? Here's the headline. U.S. payrolls grew by 256,000 in December, much more than expected, and unemployment rate falls to 4.1%. Now, why is that important for the stock market and for investors? Because a strong report like this will tell the Federal Reserve that there's no real rush to reduce interest rates. Investors, they don't like that. So that's why, in my opinion, you see what you see in the market today, is because now the investors out there don't believe the Fed will be as aggressive on rate cuts because of this December jobs report. And the red you see in the market right now reflects that. Now, we got more data coming. You're going to have the CPI inflation report next week. So that'll be more data to show us, kind of tell us what inflation is doing. But for right now, the jobs report shows that our economy is strong. The job market is strong. Unemployment rate came down from 4.2% in November down to 4.1% in December. So it shows that we have a healthy labor market. We got a healthy economy. So why would the Fed reduce interest rates when you got those two things that are very healthy? They wouldn't. So the market doesn't like that, because the thing you got to understand about the stock market is it really thrives in low interest rate environments as opposed to higher interest rates environments. And the reason is because in higher interest rates environments, U.S. Treasury bonds yields go up. So if I'm an investor and I can get a 5% yield on a 10-year Treasury bond and have no volatility and no risk of losing my money, or I can go over here in the stock market and risk losing my money, more times than not, that investor is going to pick that 10-year Treasury bond at 5%. And that's kind of what you're seeing right now. U.S. Treasury yields are starting to go up, at least on the 10-year. Now, if rates come down, that means U.S. Treasury bond yields come down. Now somebody says, well, I can get a 2% rate on a 10-year Treasury bond. That's not worth it. I'll take my chances and go get into the stock market and get me an 8 or 10% return. So that's why interest rates play an important role in the stock market. And right now, it doesn't look like the Fed will be reducing rates that much in 2025. The prediction is it'll be 1 or 2 rate cuts. I still think it'll be more than that, but that's the prediction right now, and it's reflected in the stock market. Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you think about that. If you want up to 15 free stocks, Moo is going to give you 15 free stocks. All you got to do, guys, is get down in that description box and click on that Moo link, open up that Moo account, put your $100 in there, you're going to get 5 free stocks. Put your $1,000 in there, you're going to get 15 free stocks, publicly traded companies. Don't delay, act today. Go get that free stock, go get that free money. www.richardfain.net is the website. Guys, over 400,000 of you guys have checked out the website. We got 10 big boy digital products that will change your financial life. Please go check them out. Make an investment in your financial literacy so that you become a better investor with your money. While you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We have over 1,200 wealth builders in our community. And guys, all we do is help each other build wealth. We're not experts. We don't try to be experts. What we do offer is our experience and to try to help answer your questions based on that experience. Dropping golden nuggets, tips, best practices. My Walgreens play, I did tell the folks in the Wealth Builders about that this morning. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just kind of giving them things that I do that may be something they want to pursue, right? And that's just what we do. So if you want to be a part of that great community of ours, please do yourself a favor. Click on the join button or the membership button in the website. Come on over to Patreon. Join the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We'd love to have you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom. whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.